What are you doing?
I'm taking a video.
For what?
YouTube? Oh, wow, that light is bright. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm not going to look directly into the camera because of that light. There we go. Now you guys can't see my face, so yeah. We're outside. There I go saying again. Wow. Look at our lightsabers.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Me and Papa had a lightsaber fight. So yeah.
Bam!
So yeah.
Turkey butt.
So yeah. I don't know, actually. Katie still hasn't let me know about the Erosa's Bridge. Sorry, I didn't capture you. So yeah, we're outside. Katie still hasn't told me about the Erosa's Bridge or anything. Yeah. So, yeah. And I don't know our next adventure, actually. I'm going to be looking at places that are in reasonable sight. I'm still hoping going to Spaghetti Works Park, but I don't think that's going to happen. Maybe not. Yeah. As long as I have an adult coming. Oh, okay. Just a dog. That was something else. Hi, honey. That's the name of the dog. But yeah, so,
Time is it?
so yeah.
Is it really?
It's just the dog. But yeah, so, yeah. So yeah.
What? Huh?
Yeah. Papa, did you hear that? Did you guys hear that? It sounded like something rattled against something out front or beside us. I know.
How about the church parking lot?
With no effort.
Look at my socks. Okay. The light so that the YouTube can see me.
Well.
Oh, honey.
Looking for?
Who, me?
Just the hat he was looking for?
Yeah.
No,
Hang on.
partially under cover.
Okay.